The time has finally come. I'm so excited to introduce you guys to Momma Soul Kitchen Cookbook Volume 1. I'm so excited. Its release is on Amazon right now as we speak. There have been so many obstacles that tried to stop me from pursuing this dream, but I'm so appreciative for all of your patience and love, and I hope you guys enjoy my grandmother's cooking from the heart. And just to let you know, inside of the Momma Soul Kitchen Cookbook, I have shared some soul food recipes from the heart, like homemade biscuits and po mama biscuits and some oxtails and red rice and beans, and you guys got to see it for yourself. It's from the heart from my grandmother to me, and that I transformed into the recipe book. I'm letting you know that all of the sweets are in the Just Desserts Child book that's following next, so you guys stay tuned for that.
Go over there to Amazon.com and order your Momma Soul Kitchen Cookbook and get it ready for the holidays, you guys. We're going to get ready for the Just Desserts Child just in time for that as well. See you guys soon.